Snoring is often joked about, but it is not always harmless. Occasional snoring can be normal, especially if you are congested or sleeping on your back. But loud, frequent snoring can be a sign of something more serious, like sleep apnea. Sleep apnea causes repeated pauses in breathing during sleep, which lowers oxygen levels and disrupts rest. Over time, this can increase the risk of fatigue, high blood pressure, and heart problems. If snoring is loud, happens every night, or comes with daytime exhaustion, it's worth paying attention to. Snoring is not always dangerous, but it should not always be ignored either.